Hey, welcome back to part 2 of the Gilman operator knife here. Let's see if I could saw into it. Yeah, I could actually saw a little notch in there. Let me clean that out a little bit. I know you can't really see that good on camera, but what about there? But it's the way it is. It's now the serrated part is really sharp, but the actual blade part, I will have to sharpen that. The point, it's a nice and sharp point. And like I said, I was stabbing this, and there's little holes in here, and the point is still perfectly fine, straight. I had a Gerber one from that Bear Grylls guy. It was dented and bent. It was like, oh man, that is garbage stuff. But yeah, this one seems really, really nice. Okay, then back here, you saw that forward, and that's going to prevent it from opening up. So yeah, that's its little safety right there. Put that back. Yeah. So let's close it. Engage the safety. Safety's engaged. Here is where you have to